Good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Mehrotra, former Judge, High Court of Himachal Pradesh. I seek permission of my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to commence the proceedings.
Yes.
I request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to please address.
My esteemed brother judges and sister judge, Mr. Ashok Sharma, Advocate General, Sri Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Nareshwar Singh Chandel, President, HP High Court Bar Association, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Solicitor General of India, senior advocates and other members of the Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association, Registrar General, other registrars, officers and staff of the High Court and friends from media. This virtual full court reference is being conducted to mourn the sad demise of the Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra, former judge of this High Court, who left for heavenly abode at the age of 90 years on 8th September 2020 at Lucknow. Justice Mehrotra is survived by his two sons, Dr. Sharad Mehrotra and Advocate Manish Mehrotra. Unfortunately, his Lordship Madam Mrs. Rita Mehrotra passed away 3 months back in May 2020. His Lordship was born on 19th October 1930 at Jaunpur in the state of Uttar Pradesh in an illustrious family of lawyers, judges and diplomats. Justice Mehrotra completed his post-graduation Masters in Political Science with a law degree from Lucknow University and started law practice with his father at Jaunpur in the year 1956. However, in 1960, he shifted to the Allahabad High Court and commenced a successful practice on the civil side until his elevation as a judge of the Allahabad High Court on 30th March 1978. On 12/5/1988, his Lordship joined this High Court and remained as a senior most judge until his demitting the office on superannuation on 19th October 1992. During this period, his Lordship remained acting Chief Justice of this High Court several times. After his retirement, Justice Mehrotra took over as the President of the UP State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission at Lucknow in 1993 and remained as such up to the year 1997. Justice Mehrotra was a spiritual person with a philosophical bent of mind. He was soft-spoken, polite, and very humble in his demeanor. He always encouraged junior lawyers in his court. He held court in a most pleasant manner, making everyone feel comfortable and at ease. After his retirement, as I have been told, Justice Mehrotra wrote two short books on the topics Happiness Mantra and Success Mantra, which he did not want to publicize and hence only maintained for personal distribution as gifts to family and friends. With the passing away of Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Mehrotra, we have lost a fine gentleman, a great human being, a great jurist, and a great personality. It is not only a loss to the bereaved family members, but also to the entire legal fraternity. On behalf of the High Court, my brother judges, sister judge, and on my own behalf, I offer my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family and pray to Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul in the heavenly abode.
Now I request Shri Ashok Sharma, Learned Advocate General, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice Mr. L. Narayana Swamy, Honorable Mr. Justice Trilok Singh Chauhan, Honorable Mr. Justice Sureshwar Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Mohan Goyal, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandra Bhushan Barowalia, Honorable Mr. Justice Anup Chitkara, Honorable Mr. Justice Josna Riwal Dua, Shri Ramakant Sharma, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Shri Nareshwar Singh Chandel, President HP High Court Bar Association, Shri Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Solicitor General of India, Honorable retired judges, Registrar General and other registrars of this High Court, learned members of the bar, distinguished guests, officers and officials of the registry, officials from electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen who have joined through video conferencing. Today we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of late Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Mehrotra, former judge of the High Court of Himachal Pradesh. He breathed his last at the age of about 90 years. Late Mr. Justice V.K. Mehrotra was born on 19th of October 1930. His lordship started practice in Jaunpur with effect from 1954 onward and continued there up to 1959. And in the year 1959, particularly in December 1959, his lordship got himself enrolled as advocate at Awadh Bar Association, Allahabad. Awadh Bar Association is a very prestigious association. Allahabad High Court has got two bar associations. One is Allahabad High Court Bar Association and other one is of the Bar Association. My Lord has practiced on the civil side, on taxation side, and was an authority on constitutional law. My Lord remained as standing counsel for the government of Uttar Pradesh with effect from 1969 to 1977. Apart from that, my Lord was appointed as a senior standing counsel for Uttar Pradesh State Electricity Board. My Lord also remained as a special counsel for local bodies like Ghaziabad Improvement Trust, UP Small Scale Industries Corporation, and several municipal boards. On 30th of July 1980, my Lord was appointed as an additional judge in Allahabad High Court, and after becoming permanent, my Lord was transferred to High Court of Himachal Pradesh on 12th May 1988. My Lord retired as judge from the Honorable High Court of Himachal Pradesh on 19th October 1992. I had the privilege to appear before His Lordship when he was here. It was always a pleasure to appear before him, as he always made an endeavor to inculcate and teach all the etiquettes which are hallmarks of this noble profession to the new generation of upcoming lawyers. His Lordship also used to invite the young lawyers on tea at his residence to encourage them and to tell them about the finer points of the field. For that matter, I was lucky that apart from getting guidance from other legends of the field, I also got valuable tips from His Lordship. His Lordship had a vast experience of law. Judgment rendered by His Lordship as a judge of this court bear ample testimony to his legal acumen. The sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Mehrotra has caused immense loss not only to his family but also to the legal fraternity, which would be difficult to fill. On behalf of the state of Himachal Pradesh, on behalf of my colleagues in the Office of Advocate General and my own behalf, I convey my heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul in the heavenly abode. Jai Hind.
I request Shri Ramakant Sharma, Learner Chairman, Bar Council, Himachal Pradesh, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice and companion Honorable Judges, Learned Advocate General, Learned President High Court Bar Association, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India, Learned Members of the Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Learned Senior Advocates, my colleagues at the Bar, Learned Registrars, and the staff of the Honorable High Court, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra, former judge of this Honorable Court, who breathed his last on 8th September 2020, and to pay our humble homage and tribute to the departed soul. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was born on 19th October 1930. After getting enrolled with the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh, he started practice at Jaunpur and practiced there between the years 1954 to 1959. Thereafter, Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra got enrolled with the Allahabad High Court Bar Association on 31st December 1959, and since 1960 practiced in Allahabad High Court. Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra practiced mainly on the civil side, sales tax and writ matters. He remained standing counsel for the Uttar Pradesh government from the year 1969 to March 1972. Senior standing counsel for the Uttar Pradesh State Electricity Board since 1970. He remained special counsel for the local bodies like Ghaziabad Improvement Trust, Uttar Pradesh Small Industries Corporation, and several municipal boards. Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra was elevated as an additional judge of Allahabad High Court on 30th March 1978 and was appointed as a permanent judge of the Allahabad High Court on July 30, 1980. After serving as permanent judge of the Allahabad High Court for about 8 years, Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra was transferred to this Honorable Court, where he joined on 12th May 1988. Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra retired as a judge of this Honorable Court on October 19, 1992. Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra, after retirement, was appointed as a president of the State Consumer Disputes Judicial Commission, Uttar Pradesh, by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Long career of Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra in legal and judicial fields gave a very wide experience to his lordship. He was a very refined judge. His knowledge is reflected in his judgments. A perfect human being and possessing all the good qualities of a good judge, both in learning and maintaining judicial decorum. He heard all the cases with an open mind and always afforded patient hearing to the parties. Honorable Mr. Justice Mehrotra always encouraged the junior members of the bar, not only young lawyers, but seasoned and senior lawyers also felt delighted to appear before him, for all of them received patient hearing and always found a congenial and affable environment in his court. It was a great pleasure for the advocates to appear and argue cases in his court. With the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra, we have lost an eminent jurist, writer, philosopher, and a noble human being. His memories will remain enshrined in our hearts, and we shall continue to cherish and emulate his high ideals. This is an irreparable loss to the family of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra. In this moment of grief, I, on my behalf and on behalf of entire legal fraternity of the state, offer heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. May the Almighty give them courage to bear this irreparable loss, and may the noble soul rest in eternal peace.
I request Shri Nareshwar Chandel, Learner President, High Court Bar Association, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Lingarappa Narayan Swamy, Honorable Mr. Justice Tarlok Singh Chauhan, Honorable Mr. Justice Sureshwar Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Mohan Goyal, Honorable Justice Sandeep Sharma, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandra Bhushan Barowalia, Honorable Mr. Justice Anup Chatkara, Honorable Ms. Justice Jyotsna Rawal Dua, Ashok Sharma, Advocate General Himachal, Shri Ramakant Sharma, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Rajesh Sharma, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, senior advocates, respected members of the bar, Registrar General, Registrar, and dignitaries and guests. They all have assembled today to pay our homage to great soul, our former judge, Shri late Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra. The unseen hands of Almighty has taken him away from us. Late Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was born on 19th October 1930 in Jaunpur, in Pradesh, in an illustrated family of lawyers, judges. His father, Lechi Bideoraj Malhotra, was eminent lawyer practicing civil criminal law at Jaunpur. His uncle, Justice Gopal Mehrotra, was a judge of Allahabad High Court and other was in Indian Foreign Services. Justice Mehrotra completed his post-graduation in political science with a law degree from university and started law practice with his father at Jaunpur in year 1956. However, in 1960, he shifted to Allahabad High Court civil side. On 30th March 1978, Justice Mehrotra was elevated as a judge of Allahabad High Court. Later on, he was transferred to Himachal Pradesh High Court in May 1988, where he served as the senior most judge in 1992. He also functioned as an acting on several occasions. After his retirement as judge of High Court, he took over as a president of Uttar Pradesh State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Lucknow, in 1993 and retired from there in 1997. After concluding his successful career as a judge, Justice Mehrotra revised two famous law books from Easter Book Company, Lucknow, that is Law of Electricity by Shiv Gopala and Law of Contempt by P.G. Ramchandra. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra is survived by his two sons, Dr. Sharad Mehrotra and Mr. Manish Mehrotra. Justice late Mehrotra was soft-spoken, polite, and very humble in his demeanor. He always encouraged junior lawyers in his courts. He held the court in most pleasant manner, making everyone. And Justice Mehrotra was known one of the finest conventional judge who was known for his meticulous nature of audience and practice in delivering justice, which I happen to know from my late revered father, Shri Malkiyat Singh Chandel, senior advocate, ex-advocate General Himachal Pradesh, who had the occasion to appear before his lordship. He always appreciated hard work and always encouraged youngsters in his court. His lordship was a man of unblemished integrity and with a sound judicial temperament. I, on my behalf and on behalf of Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association, convey our heartfelt condolences to all the bereaved family members of Justice V.K. Mehrotra and pray to Almighty to grant equal peace to the departed soul. Thank you very much.
I request Shri Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Sri Lingappa Narayan Swami Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Trilok Singh Chauhan Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Sureshwar Thakur Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Singh Thakur Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Mohan Goyal Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandra Bhushan Barowalia Ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Anup Chatkara Ji, Honorable Mrs. Justice Jyotsna Rawal Dua Ji, Sri Ashok Sharma Ji, Learned Advocate General, Sri Ramakant Sharma Ji, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Sri Nareshwar Singh Chandel Ji, President High Court Bar Association, former members of the Bar Council, senior advocates, member of High Court Bar Association, learned registrars, employees of High Court, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to pay our prayer to the departed soul of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was born on 19th October 1930 at Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. After doing his master in political science with a degree of law from Lucknow University. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Malhotra started his practice with his father at Jaunpur in 1956. On Later on, Shri Vijay Kumar Mehrotra shifted to Allahabad High Court in 1960. During his lucrative practice in Allahabad High Court, mostly from civil side, Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was elevated as Judge of Allahabad High Court on 30th March 1978. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was transferred to High Court of Himachal Pradesh on May 1988 and served as a senior most judge till his retirement on 19th October 1992. During his tenure in the High Court of Himachal Pradesh, Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra functioned as acting Chief Justice of High Court of Himachal Pradesh several times. Acting several times. After his retirement from High Court of Himachal Pradesh, he was appointed as President Uttar Pradesh State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Lucknow, and retired from there in 1997. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Malhotra was a spiritual man and philosophical bent of mind, and after his retirement, he wrote two short books on the topic of happiness mantra and success mantra. He which he did not want to publicize and hence always maintained for personal distribution as gift to the family and friends. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra was a soft-spoken, polite, and most groomed in his manners. He always encouraged junior lawyers in his court. Unfortunately, the wife of Honorable passed away in the month of May 2020, just 3 months before from the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Kumar Mehrotra after a brief period of illness on 8th September 2020, leaving behind him a rich legacy. I, on my behalf and on the behalf of my colleague from the Office of Assistant Solicitor General of India, pay our tribute to the departed soul and pray the Almighty, that departed soul may rest in peace in the heaven and get moksha, from which all of us pray. Further pray to Almighty to give strength to the bereaved family to bear this loss. Jai Hind.
I request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly announce 2 minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. I seek permission of my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to close the proceedings.
Yes.
Proceedings are closed.